The definition of the best emergency AC repair Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, depends on each customer's specific needs, expectations, and the condition of their HVAC system. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we strive to be a trusted choice by providing fast response times, quality workmanship, and dependable customer service. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What should I do if my AC suddenly stops working? First, check your thermostat settings, circuit breaker, and air filter to rule out simple issues. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we quickly diagnose problems with your HVAC system, including electrical components, HVAC control systems, and refrigeration issues, and provide dependable HVAC system repair to restore your comfort. Can I run my AC if it is making loud or unusual noises? No, it is generally not recommended to continue running your air conditioning system if it is making loud or unusual noises. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide prompt emergency AC repair to identify the cause of the noise and perform reliable HVAC system repair. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.